Colorful Cute Kids.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. In this video, I'll show you how to draw and color a cute dog and cat. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, I'll start with the dog's eyes and nose. Next, I'll draw his floppy ears and his cute face. Let's add his mouth. It's open like he's smiling. Finally, I'll draw his body. Now, let's draw the cat. Start with her lovely eyes, then draw her sweet little face. Next, I'll draw her two pointy ears. Don't forget her whiskers. Finally, I'll draw her body and her long, swishy tail. Let's outline everything with a black marker to make the drawing pop. Time to color the dog and cat. I'll use pink for this part of the cat's fur. Then I'll color her ears, tail, and the rest of her fur gray. For the dog, I'll color his ears pink and his fur dark yellow. And a bit of red for a cute detail. Now, let's move on to the next drawing. Let's draw and color a cute owl. Let's begin by drawing the owl's big, round eyes. Aren't they adorable? Next, I'll draw her little nose and her face step by step. Then, I'll add her two ears. Now, let's draw her body and her wings. Don't forget her tiny legs, though. Look, they're shaped like a heart. To make the scene more fun, I'll draw flowers and a tree branch for her to perch on. Once the drawing is done, I'll use a black marker to outline everything and make it stand out. Time to color the owl. First, I'll color the heart shape red. Then, I'll use a light brown marker for some parts of the owl. I'll color her ears, wings, and fur brown. For the flowers, I'll use yellow, pink, and green. Finally, I'll color the tree branch brown and add some yellow stars to complete the scene. Wow, everything looks amazing. You all did a fantastic job. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to support us. See you in the next video. Goodbye.